took a real interest there, the squeaking sounded different. That's because we weren't using the polystyrene and the phone. I was actually making that sound with my lips, and I'll show you how to do that. Best using that finger. Wet it with a bit of spit, put your lips on, like that, and suck with long, hard sucks, like this. Yeah, it doesn't look very good, but it sounds good. What that does, it mimics the sound of a young rabbit being attacked by a stoat or a weasel or even a fox or something. It's its death cries. And the rabbits like to come out and take a look. They like to see what the potential threat is. This technique works at all times of the year. When you're shooting, you can shoot all the way around the valley. If you see a big set, all the rabbits might dive in, or you might shoot them outside the set. Once they're gone, leave it a few minutes, squeak, they come straight back out. It's a nasty trick, but it works.